It's the second verb, second form of no.
Didi, I think you love your name so much. The second form of no should be known. What should be the third form of no?
Sorry.
Sorry. The second no should be new. What should be the third form of no, Didi?
The third form of no should be known.
Sumit, give me affirmative answer. Did you know it?
Yes, I know it.
Manya, did you know it?
Yes, sir, I know it.
Okay. Sumya asked me.
Sir, did you know it?
Yes,
Okay.
I knew it.
Sorry, sir.
Complete the process.
सर क्या आप ये जानते हैं?
Sorry.
क्या आप ये जानते थे?
Okay. Manya, did you know it?
Yes, I knew it.
क्या आपको ये पता था?
हाँ सर, मुझे ये पता था.
Ask the same question.
सौम्या, did you know it?
Yes, I knew it.
क्या आपको ये पता था?
हाँ, मुझे ये पता था.
Manya, did she knew that you are coming?
Yes, sir. She knew that I am coming.
क्या उसे मालूम था कि तुम आ रही हो?
हाँ, उसे पता था कि मैं आ रही हूँ. सौम्या, did she know that you are coming?
Yes, she knew that I'm coming.
क्या उसे पता था कि तुम आ रही हो?
हाँ, उसे पता था कि मैं आ रही हूँ. Sir, did she know that you are coming?
No, she did not know that I am going to her. It was a
सर
surprise.
क्या उसे पता था कि आप आ रहे हैं?
नहीं, उसे पता नहीं था कि मैं उसके पास आ रहा हूँ. ये एक सरप्राइज था.
Didi, what
Manya,
should be
yes, carry on.
Didi, what should be the verb for मालूम होना?
The verb for मालूम होना should be know. What should be the second form of know? सौम्या,
The second form of no should be new. What should be the third form of no?
the third form of know should be know.
Manya, did the government know that this bill is not good for the farmers?
Yes, sir. Government knew that this bill is not good for the farmers.
या सरकार को पता था कि ये बिल, what is the Hindi word for?
कानून, I guess.
ये बिल किसानों के लिए. What was my question? I forgot.
Sir, did the government know that this bill is good for farmers?
Okay. So complete the answer, please. क्या सरकार को पता था कि ये बिल किसानों के लिए अच्छा है?
हाँ सर, सरकार को पता था कि ये बिल किसानों के लिए अच्छा है. Sir, should I ask to Soumya the same?
Yes, please.
Soumya, did the government know that the bill is good for the farmers?
अच्छा, सेम टू सेम चलो चलेगा, जो हमने पूछा वही चलता जाएगा, है ना?
Okay, sir, I am asking another thing. Soma, did you know that new corona variant has come?
Yes, I know that new corona. Yes, I knew that new corona variant is come. Has come.
And did you know that news that in Bangalore there are around 500 kids got the corona positive?
Yeah, yeah. And I also heard that after a few days, the school and colleges are also will also remain closed, and online classes will be started after some time. I heard that.
Okay. Did you know about any vaccine for kids?
No, no, Didi, I don't have any idea about this. Sir, did you know the name of that variant?
No, I didn't know, and I did not want to know because I don't
Sir,
want to talk about negative things.
सर क्या आपको पता है नए वेरिएंट के नाम के
पता
बारे में?
है?
नहीं, क्या आपको पता था नए वेरिएंट के नाम के बारे में?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता था, मुझे जानना भी नहीं है नकारात्मक चीजों के बारे में. Did you know it's Wednesday today, Manya?
Yes, sir, I knew it's Wednesday today.
Soumya, did you know it's Wednesday today? It's Wednesday today. Wednesday, 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 Wednesday.
No, yeah, no, sir, I didn't know that it's Wednesday today.
So there you are. It's Wednesday. Google is taking correct spelling, but I am speaking Wednesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Ask the same question to her.
Did you know? Didi, did you know that it's Wednesday today? Did you know that it's Wednesday today?
Yes, I knew that it's Wednesday today.
क्या आपको पता था कि आज वेंसडे है?
हाँ, मुझे पता था कि आज वेडनेसडे है.
राउंड कंप्लीट करने का होता था पहले तुम्हारे बैच में, ऐसा कुछ कंप्लीट द राउंड.
Sir, did you know it's Wednesday today?
No, I didn't know. You guys told me.
सर, क्या आपको पता था कि आज वेडनेसडे है?
नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं था, आप लोगों ने बताया. Did your neighbor, Manya, did your neighbor know that you are vegetarian?
Yes, she knew very well that I am vegetarian.
क्या आपकी पड़ोसन को पता था कि आप शाकाहारी हैं?
हाँ, उसे बहुत अच्छे से पता था कि मैं शाकाहारी. Sir, should I ask the same or I have to change?
Actually, for especially the pronunciation of Wednesday, I
Didi, you have to change the sentence.
Soumya, did Salman know that he is going to be unmarried whole the life?
No, sir, Salman didn't know that he's going to be unmarried for the whole life.
क्या सलमान को पता था कि वो ताजिंदगी अविवाहित रहेगा?
नहीं सर, सलमान को नहीं पता था, बिल्कुल नहीं पता था कि वो अपनी पूरी जिंदगी अविवाहित रहेगा। मान्या दीदी, डिड यू नो दैट साक्षी दीदी's wedding is round the corner?
चलो 3 का दंड शुरू करते हैं युद्ध का प्रयोग करने पर। स्टार्ट। तुम लोग की बहुत प्रैक्टिस है ना, और कुछ नहीं मिलता तो इंटरेक्टिव एग्जाम शुरू करते हो, बातें नहीं करते इंग्लिश में। चलो दो 3 का दंड।
To shoot in your own foot, अपने पैरों पर खुद ही कुल्हाड़ी मारना। No root no fruit, ना रहेगा बांस ना बजेगी बांसुरी। Honey is not for ashes mouth, बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद।
गुड।
मान्या दीदी, did Jha sir know that साक्षी दीदी?
चलो अब तुम अभी सबसे पहले 10 का दंड दो, फिर हम बताते हैं कि 10 का दंड क्यों। क्लास के किसी मतलब इससे संबंधित किसी का भी प्रयोग किया ना तो आगे से 10 का दंड। अभी शुरुआत तो तुम ही कर।
You have spoken out of my mouth, आपने मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली। Man proposes, God disposes, मेरे मन कछु और है करता के कछु और। Do the good and forget, नेकी कर दरिया में डाल। Everything is fair in love and war, मोहब्बत और जंग में सब जायज़ है। It is never late to mend, जब जागो तभी सवेरा। A penny saved is a pound earned, बूंद बूंद से ही सागर भरता है। Keep your breed to cool your porridge, अपनी सलाह अपने पास रखो।
कीप योर ब्रेथ।
Breath, keep your breath to cool your porridge, अपनी सलाह अपने पास रखो। I talk of chef, he hears of cheese, कहे
आई टॉक
खेत
ऑफ
की।
चेफ। चेफ।
Chef, chef,
चेफ।
chef. I talk of chef, he hears of cheese, कहे खेत की सुने खलियान की। Out of the frying pan into the fire, आसमान से गिरे खजूर में अटके। Seeing is believing, आंखों देखी पर ही विश्वास करें। The boss is always right, राजा हमेशा सही होता है। There sir.
आस्क।
सेटिंग्स में जाके टैब दबा के फाइन फ्रेंड्स। ओके,
Manya Didi, did anybody
देख आ
know
गया,
that I will have to give 10D?
देख आ गया ज्वाइन करने का।
No,
Notification
someone did
from
not.
invisible।
Someone.
यू आर इधर इनविजिबल,
Sorry.
मैं इनविजिबल रहूंगा तो फिर नहीं होगा। रुको
Okay,
मैं
I'm
इनविजिबल
answering.
से हटाता हूँ।
No, anybody did not know that he will have to give 3D.
इनवाइट कर दिया।
क्या किसी को पता था कि मुझे 10 का दंड देना पड़ेगा?
स्टार्ट कर दूँ?
नहीं, किसी को नहीं पता था कि तुम्हें 10 का दंड देना
प्ले करना है
पड़ेगा।
ना? हाँ तो फिर
मान्य, Did public know that the BJP will
नहीं मेरे में दिखा
control
तो रहा है
the Jammu Kashmir problem?
25 दिखा रहा है
No, sir, public did not know that BJP will control the Jammu Kashmir problem.
कहाँ अनलॉक
क्या
किया
जनता को पता था कि बीजेपी की सरकार या बीजेपी जम्मू कश्मीर की समस्या पर नियंत्रण कर लेगी?
कस्टम के ऊपर अनलॉक नहीं
नो सर, लोगों को तो नहीं पता था कि बीजेपी की सरकार जम्मू कश्मीर की समस्या कंट्रोल कर लेगी।
ये ऑल्ट डी वाले सेटिंग F1 दबा के सेटिंग पे क्लिक अभी फुल स्क्रीन पे नहीं चल
So, Matt, did you know that Sakshi will not join today?
बॉर्डरलेस फुल स्क्रीन पे चल
Yes, sir. I will know that
फुल स्क्रीन पे
Sakshi. Yes, sir. I knew that Sakshi Didi will not join the class today.
क्या तुम्हें पता था साक्षी नहीं आएगी?
हाँ सर, मुझे पता था कि आज साक्षी दीदी नहीं आएगी।
Manya, did your mom know that you will get married in Nagpur?
Sir,
See, imagination is better than knowledge. Written here, I can show you again
yes,
and
sir,
again.
my mom knew that I will get married in Nagpur because she wanted to marry me in Nagpur only.
Okay.
यार कितना
If it is blur, I can read it for you. ज्ञान से कहीं अधिक महत्वपूर्ण कल्पना
मेरा
है।
तो 100
ज्ञान
पे
से कहीं
वो
अधिक
दिखा रहा है
महत्वपूर्ण
90
है
20
परिकल्पना। It is said by Albert Einstein. Actually, Einstein is Indian pronunciation, but Einstein is the correct pronunciation.
लैपटॉप से एक्सटर्नल पे खेल रहा है तू
So, one day you were making complaint that you cannot speak English, you can write and read everything, but you cannot speak. The reason is that
सबको
you have not done so much creativity during the batch. That's why I have got this chance. So I am rectifying the mistake. It was my mistake, you can say. It was my mistake.
अबे स्नाइपर मिल गया भाई ओ माय
Okay. Have you got any question in your mind?
हेडशॉट
Soumya, did you know that Manya will अच्छा यू पे प्रतिबंध लगा दिए चलो डिड शालिनी नो दैट ब्यूटी पार्लर इज अ वेरी फ्रूटफुल जॉब फॉर हर
स्नाइपर सही है
Yes, sir. She knew that beauty parlor is very fruitful job for her.
क्या शालिनी को पता था कि ब्यूटी पार्लर का जो काम है उसके लिए बहुत फलदायी है
हाँ सर, उसे पता था कि ब्यूटी पार्लर का काम उसके लिए बहुत फलदायी है।
मुझे कैसे मानते हैं
मान्य डिड पंडित जी नो दैट जजमान विल बी लेट टुडे
भाई ये स्पैम करके चला गया भाई मेरे मौके दो बार
No, sir, Pandit ji did not know that Jagman will be dead today.
डू यू नो जजमान
No, sir, I don't know Jagman.
जो पूजा कराने के लिए मुख्य होता है जो बैठता है जो बुलाता है वो उसको जजमान कहते हैं
ये गया
पंडित जी हमेशा बोलते हैं जजमान
Okay.
क्या पंडित जी को मालूम था जजमान लेट हो जाएंगे
No, sir, पंडित जी को नहीं मालूम था कि जजमान लेट हो जाए।
Did sir, I'm ready. Did Shrishti Jain Deshmukh know that he was selected in UPSC exam in her first attempt?
He will be selected.
एक्शन भाई अभी गायब अभी
Come again, sir.
टर्मिनल पावर है इवन देवी
He will be selected.
He will be selected.
This is special. Okay. Just a minute. Manya, what should be the verb for चयन करना? Just a minute. Soumya, have you written the verbs?
Yes, sir, I have written the verbs.
Should I erase?
Yes, sir, you should erase.
Ask two questions to her and she will ask to you.
Manya Didi, have you written the verbs?
Yes, I have written the verbs.
Should I erase?
Yes, you should erase. Soumya, have you written the verbs?
Yes, I have written the verbs.
Should I erase?
Yes, you should erase.
Soumya, what should be the verb for chayan karna?
The verb for chayan karna should be select. What should be the second form of select?
The second form of select should be selected.
Complete the round, Didi.
This is one negative point.
What should be the second form of select?
Sorry. You have to ask the third form.
Yeah, what should be the third form of select?
The third form of select should be selected. Didi, what should be the verb for चयनित होना?
I don't know.
You can ask.
What should be the verb for chayanit hona?
The verb for चयनित होना should be get selected. What should be the second form of get selected?
The second form of get selected should be got selected. Got select.
गॉड सिलेक्ट तो नहीं हो सकता दोस्तों. कोई बता सकता है क्यों नहीं हो सकता? She said God select. तो God select नहीं हो सकता. God select is not possible. Why is it not possible? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, because get का second form got है तो उसके साथ selected ही होगा. I'm not sure.
Okay. दोस्तों गेट जो है बी का ही रूप. बी चैप्टर में बी के नीचे हमने गेट भी लिखवाया है. और बी के बाद हमेशा क्या आता है? कुछ सेंटेंस हमने बनाए.
B के बाद सर
हमने
adjective और
बी
noun.
चैप्टर के जब भी सेंटेंस बनाए तो हमेशा क्या आता है?
सर B के बाद adjective और noun.
या तो एडजेक्टिव आएगा या नाउन आएगा, है ना? और have I ever told you that the third form of verb works as an adjective in maximum cases? Not always, but in maximum cases. The third form of verb works as an adjective.
अरे अरे पीछे ये मैं स्नाइपर में मैं एंगल होल्ड करके खड़ा हूँ पता चल रहा पीछे से मत जाने.
So let's utilize it and try to understand the difference between Manya, did you select the dress for this party?
You are so very
Yes, sir. I selected the dress for this party.
क्या आपने इस पार्टी के लिए ड्रेस चुन ली है? चुन ली? सॉरी, है नहीं, चुन ली.
हाँ, मैंने इस पार्टी के लिए ड्रेस चुन ली.
बस अपन टीम के
Ask this. Change the object and ask her. Change the object and ask her. Object changing is not difficult, it is easy.
हम मौका ही नहीं बना भाई ये पिस्टल से मार दिया
Okay, I'm asking. Soumya, did you select the life partner?
No, sir, I did not select the life partner.
Guys, sometimes I ask practical questions, but they are not personal. They are just for conversation purpose. क्या तुमने जीवन लाइफ पार्टनर चुन लिया?
नहीं सर, मैंने लाइफ पार्टनर नहीं चुना. सर, did you select the
She's okay. Ask me. Ask me.
sir? Did you select the topic for today's class?
No, I could not select. I did not get the time, you know.
Sir, were you busy?
Yes, I was busy in taking the online batches.
Okay.
Manya, did you select the good object?
Yes, sir. I selected the good object. Soumya, did you select your future plan for your studies?
practice makes perfection
Didi, actually, I'm still working out for that. I did not select my future plan. Complete the process.
सोमा, क्या तुमने अपना स्टडीज के बारे में फ्यूचर प्लान सिलेक्ट किया है?
So,
किया है,
क्या
है,
है?
तो past simple नहीं रह जाता. If you use है.
क्या स्टडीज के लिए तुमने अपना फ्यूचर प्लान सिलेक्ट कर लिया?
सर, मैंने अभी तो सिलेक्ट नहीं किया है. हाँ, पर मैं उसके बारे में सोच रही हूँ. Sir, did you select the book for your further studies?
Yes, I selected 3 books for my further studies of different writers.
Sir, which books did you select?
I selected Thesaurus and Activator and Oxford Dictionary. One more, Logman, Essential Activator.
So, are they all dictionaries?
No, they are not dictionaries, but they are for improving English. Thesaurus is a kind of dictionary, you can say. This spelling is thesaurus, you can see.
It's a dictionary, sir.
A kind of dictionary, not exactly a dictionary.
उसने वैल्यू इंस्टॉल कर दिया क्या बोल रहा था
This okay, today I will give you one example of this activator after completing these 2 verbs. Let me ask one more. Let's play one more round. I'm asking to Manya. Uh, did Rahul Khare select the subject?
No, sir. Rahul Khare did not select the subject.
क्या राहुल खरे ने सब्जेक्ट चुन लिया?
No, sir. Rahul Khare ने सब्जेक्ट नहीं चुना.
Ask her.
Sir, Soumya, did you select any vehicle to go to your college?
Now give 5D because I changed the subject. Manya, we have played one round with you. It was enough.
Uh, it is said, ऐसा कहा जाता है, long time no see, कहाँ रहे बहुत दिनों से नहीं मिले. It is tied up, वह फंस गया. He is tied up, वह फंस गया है. The power is cut, लाइट गुल हो गई है. Don't take him for granted, उसे हल्के में ना लो.
Now ask.
Soumya, did the youngsters select the bike uh, vehicle to go to the college?
Yes, youngsters selected the bike to go to the college. Complete the process, Didi.
क्या यंगस्टर्स ने बाइक सिलेक्ट कर ली है कॉलेज जाने के लिए?
हाँ, यंगस्टर्स ने कॉलेज जाने के लिए बाइक सेलेक्ट कर ली है. Sir, did Anshika select the pen for writing her exams?
No, she is confused. She did not select.
सर, क्या अंशिका ने एग्जाम लिखने के लिए पेन सेलेक्ट कर लिया है? कर लिया.
नहीं, उसने नहीं किया है. वो कंफ्यूज है. Okay, let's play second round with second word. Manya, did you get selected in this exam?
Yes, I got selected in this exam.
क्या तुम इस एग्जाम में चयनित हो गई? क्या तुम इस एग्जाम में सेलेक्ट हो गई?
हाँ सर, मैं इस एग्जाम में सिलेक्ट हो गई.
Change the object and ask her.
Soumya, did you get selected for the fancy dress program?
Yes, I got selected for the fancy dress program.
क्या आप फैंसी ड्रेस प्रोग्राम में सिलेक्ट हो गई?
हाँ, मैं फैंसी ड्रेस प्रोग्राम में सेलेक्ट हो गई.
ये कैसे उठाऊं मैं?
Sir, did you select for anchoring in annual function? Sir, did you get selected in anchoring for annual function?
No, I was rejected.
Sir, why were you rejected?
I don't know, they decided.
क्या आप एनुअल फंक्शन के लिए एंकरिंग में सेलेक्ट हो गए हैं?
नहीं, मैं रिजेक्ट हो गया. पता नहीं, उन्होंने डिसाइड किया.
Sir, I'm ready. Soumya, did your sister get?
I'm starting second round because it's my go.
Sorry, sir.
Did Aishwarya get selected in Miss World competition?
Yes, sir. Aishwarya got selected for Miss World competition.
क्या ऐश्वर्या मिस वर्ल्ड कंपटीशन में सिलेक्ट हो गई?
हाँ सर, ऐश्वर्या मिस वर्ल्ड कंपटीशन में सिलेक्ट हो गई।
किसी को फेल किया।
Sir, now I have think about for your,
करके ऐसे
so
वहाँ
you
पे
have changed the subject.
अबे ये गैप कहाँ से आता है पता है, समझ नहीं आता। इधर उधर से अचानक से गायब हो जाती है।
Soumya, did Jaya get selected in the army?
Yes, sir. Jaya got
वो 101
selected in the
दे गई,
army.
102 दे गई।
क्या जया आर्मी में चयनित हो गई?
101।
हाँ सर, जया आर्मी में चयनित हो गई।
Somewhere did Ayush get selected in KBC for the
आवाज आ रहा है,
Students
समझ
Week?
नहीं आता कि
Yes, Ayush got selected in KBC for Students Week.
मेरे दिल का मैं अच्छा इसमें पॉइंट
I think
डिस्कशन होता है क्या?
Students Week is over now.
Yeah, it's no over now.
Complete the process, Didi.
क्या?
क्या आयुष केबीसी प्रोग्राम में स्टूडेंट्स वीक के लिए सिलेक्ट हो गया?
हाँ, आयुष केबीसी प्रोग्राम में स्टूडेंट्स वीक के लिए सिलेक्ट हो गया है।
क्या? हाँ कितने सेकंड, 20 सेकंड ना आगे फोन देता हूँ। अबे ये क्या लगा लिया मैंने, ओ यूजुअल।
Didi, did Kriti Senon get selected for the next movie?
Yes, Kriti Sanon got selected for the next movie.
क्या कृति सेनन अगली मूवी के लिए चयनित हो गई?
हाँ, कृति सेनन अगली मूवी के लिए चयनित हो गई। But actually, I don't know is Kriti Sanon Soumya.
Oh,
Which
you didn't know.
no,
Uh, did you see Mimi movie?
no. Just
No.
saw just not full
बरेली
movie.
की
Just
बर्फी.
no.
विलियम में नहीं है क्या?
Ladies, I give this task on Saturday classes. Saturday classes are optional classes. If students want to come, I give them different activities. So I have taken this task from Activator, Government Essential Activator,
अबे ये
from here.
और बंद हाँ ये हाँ।
You have some words here. Now, by using these words, you will have to create a story.
अपने नेट से मर जाते हैं।
The heading is army. The different words sequence is not necessary.
ये कौन सी है?
You can use the
चेंज भी नहीं
words
करना पड़ रहा।
in your sentences,
अरे ये भी बचा अभी।
and you can create any story.
ये नेट से इस्तेमाल किया।
So, what is the meaning of explode?
Explode.
इससे क्या होता है?
Meanwhile, I am telling you,
तो मार रहे हैं भाई 2-3 बार।
I have not collected all these books myself. The suggestions, sometimes the students give me suggestions because they get the suggestions from somebody else. So whenever they suggest me anything, I try to follow it. So somebody suggested me for this, so I bought this. And like this, there are Other, I have a little almirah where my little library is there, and students can also use, but only English books are not available. Hindi books for life changing are also available for personality development.
अभी what
Some
start
Hindi
कर
books
दिया
are
क्या?
available. Whenever you come to
तो
Jabalpur,
गेम में नहीं आने देता?
uh, recently what happened, there is one of my batch 7 o'clock in the evening. So
भाई कैसे
suddenly they all decided to come here to meet me because we have met only on the online classes on phone. So all the actually it is also a ladies majority batch. There is only one boy. He is in 11th, I think. He lives in Patan. So they all decided to come, but only three could come. Maximum ladies are married and having children, so it was not possible for all to come here. But three of them came here, so I showed them the class, showed them the library and all the things. So whenever, generally, okay, for Manya, it is not easy to come to Jabalpur, but for Soumya, I think Soumya comes to Jabalpur time to time. It is near
अपने में एक बॉट भी है जो
Soumya.
थोड़ा कैप्चर अच्छा नहीं करता, निकालता
Whenever
रहता
you
है।
come, I'll show you. And if I forget, remind me. So who is ready? You have got enough time to think. Should I call one small student to
बस
give you example? There are some small children. Madam takes their batches.
Okay, sir. Please call him.
कुछ शायद एक भी नहीं
Okay.
Soumya, did you get any idea?
I don't know, Didi. What should I do?
We have to make the all words of take the all words in a story.
Yeah, we have to take all the words. But
Okay.
I think explode is not matching with all the words.
खाना लेके
I know it is
Actually,
explode
I
means
don't.
blast, but
Okay.
it is not matching with all the words. Different position.
This boy is here.
When the army man is at the place of war, his soul is his soul should be in peace, and he has to carry that much weapons. He can shoot anyone and attack anyone. And he should have the best or the materials to defend him. His position and rank should be there, so he can change his position, and by the rank he can give orders to the other persons. There. Yes, sir. There.
There are three more students. ओके बच्चे, नो प्रॉब्लम। वो ऐसा देखने में पहली दृष्टि में कठिन लगता है, लेकिन तुमने देखा हम इसको बुला के लाए, इसको कुछ नहीं पता था, उसने खटाखट खटाखट बना दिया। कोई उसमें बहुत ऐसा सीक्वेंस की जरूरत नहीं होती है। अब उसकी जुबान पे इतने शब्द आ गए ऑटोमेटिक।
This confidence.
In army, the soldier uses
Weapon.
weapon to shoot enemies, and they use grenade to explode their bunkers. And because of the rank of lieutenant or any other colonels, they uses position. They uses their position to order other army persons for war.
Thank you. बेटा आज नहीं तो कल बनेगा, लेकिन हिम्मत तुम्हारी खुद की ही है। और बहुत
सर उसका बस ये होता है।
हाँ, नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं है बेटा, ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम छोटे हो तो तुमसे नहीं बन सकता। इसके पहले वाले बैच में तुमसे भी छोटा आया लड़का आता। कुछ नहीं, जैसे आज तुमने किया, अब तुम्हें हाँ, अब यहाँ एक दीदी बना रही है, सुन लो। She is ready. अब वो तुम लोग को दिखे और उनको ये दिखता रहे, इसलिए हमने कैमरे को फ्लिप कर दिया। Is it visible to you, Soumya?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, now you are visible to other students here. You can start.
In the army, there was a man, and the war were going on between the two parties. They all have weapons, and just because of their position, they all have enough confidence to shoot both the parties. Uh, so they attack to each other, and both are trying to both the parties are trying to defend them there, sir.
Thank you very much. Manya, are you ready? Manya Didi is from Nagpur and Soumya Didi is from Karevi, Narsinghpur, Karevi. Manya Didi is not visible. Beta, if you want...
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible now, Manya.
Actually, sir, I cannot see because you are not visible for me. My data has been over.
Okay, no problem. So, any other day we will do it. Your time is also up. You can take a picture. Soumya, you can take this screenshot.
Sir, I have taken actually.
Thank you, good. Tomorrow you can do it. And
Okay, sir.
bye for today. See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye, sir.
Okay.
Thank you for joining.